yes, having magical power is also a part of our sign of Dharma practice if we can do this in the right way. But we don't need to focus just on these signs, but there are also other signs, like through the practice, if we improve ourselves as a better person, good human being, kind-hearted or warm-hearted person through the practice, and if we can control our anger, and if we can control our negative actions much better than before, then these are the signs of our own practice.